In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Agoda. If you regularly book hotels, flights, or vacation stays online, keeping your payment information updated is very important. Whether your card has expired, you want to switch to another payment option, or you simply prefer a different method for future bookings, Agoda makes the process simple and convenient. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can update your payment details smoothly and avoid any issues during checkout. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Agoda website. Once the homepage loads, you'll have access to Agoda's booking platform, where you can search for accommodations, flights, and travel deals from different destinations around the world. Before making any changes, sign in to your Agoda account. Look for the login option, usually located at the top corner of the page. Agoda may offer several sign-in methods, including the option to continue using your Google account for faster and more secure access. Logging into your account ensures that your booking history, saved preferences, and payment details are properly connected to your profile. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Agoda homepage. From here, use the search bar to look for the destination, hotel, or flight you're planning to book. Enter the necessary travel details, including your dates and preferences, then browse through the available results. Agoda also provides filters that allow you to sort options based on price, room type, ratings, and amenities, helping you find the best match for your travel plans. Once you've selected the hotel or flight you want, click on it to view more information. Take some time to review the details carefully, including guest reviews, available facilities, room descriptions, and booking policies. When you're ready to continue, click the Book Now button to proceed to the reservation page. As you move through the booking process, you'll arrive at the Payment section. This is where you can change or update your payment method. Agoda may provide different payment options depending on your region and the property you selected. These can include credit cards, debit cards, digital payment services, or other supported payment methods. Simply choose the option you prefer and enter the updated payment details carefully. Before confirming your reservation, review all the booking information one final time. Double-check the travel dates, property details, guest information, and selected payment method to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, complete the booking to save the updated payment information successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your payment method in Agoda quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.